Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine and I'm unboxing the LaserBand 41. It is a laser light hair growth device, stimulates the hair growth through photobiostimulation using laser light energy. It stimulates the hair growth, reversing thinning, energizing hair follicles, damaged hair, restores the natural hair growth cycle. Your hair grows in denser, fuller, and healthier. It is FDA clear for men and women in early moderate stages of hair loss. It is clinically proven in 7 studies. It is safe and effective for hair loss and thinning hair, non-drug treatment, and no harmful side effects. Okay, the average increase of hair count of 129 additional new hairs per square inch after 6 months. Okay, this is a fast treatment as little as 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna open the box and show you how to use this. You get this in this pretty box. You have your instruction manual. This is your laser band, your charging dock, and your power cord. Okay, this is lightweight. It's not heavy at all, so it's not heavy on the head. It has a flex band. It has the patterned hair parting teeth, and they're soft. So you will plug it in, of course, and you can charge it on your charging station, or you can charge it here, which is great because it's portable and you can travel with it. So I'm gonna turn this on for you. Let's take the sticker off. Here you have your power button. Okay, so how this works is it turns on when you have it on your head. But I'm gonna put my finger here so you can see all the laser lights. Okay, and how this works is you put it on your head, you slide it every 30 seconds until you cover the 6 areas of your scalp for a full treatment. And it's a total of 3 minutes. Who doesn't have 3 minutes for fuller, healthier, denser hair? Okay, this is your LaserBand 41. Thank you.